Aave is a low-position cryptographic money right now valued at $59.18 that has a place with the class of mineable coins with a market capitalization of $860,409,082. Over the truly past especially couple of years, digital forms of money, including Aave, laid out an exceptionally impressive traction in the worldwide monetary world and essentially are presently being exchanged comparable to conventional resources like stocks, wares, and unfamiliar monetary forms, forex. A few institutional financial backers even explicitly consider crypto as a proficient supporting instrument against the taking off expansion and the disturbances in the worldwide economy, showing how over the essentially past in every way that really matters, hardly any years, digital forms of money, including Aave, laid out a fundamentally solid traction in the worldwide monetary world and explicitly are currently being exchanged comparable to conventional resources like stocks, products, and unfamiliar monetary standards, forex, which is very critical. Retail financial backers and dealers for the most part are genuinely keen on digital currencies, for example, Aave, since this by and large is ostensibly the most open monetary market, where various resources have the extremely potential for 100x to 1000x increases in a moderately truly brief timeframe, which especially is very critical. These profits really are by and large impossible in fundamentally different business sectors, which especially is the motivation behind why undoubtedly moderate financial backers for the most part are cautiously enhancing their current portfolios with digital currencies like Aave, while the groundbreaking ones commit a huge piece of their truly money to this quickly creating resource class in a kind of significant manner. At this fundamentally specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members carried the cost of Aave to the level at $59.18, where it right now sits, which generally is very huge. As currently referenced, Aave for the most part is a low-position cryptographic money, since it by possesses the 43rd spot in worldwide digital currency rankings, the essentially metric not set in stone, by duplicating the sort of current cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource in an unpretentious manner. On account of Aave, the market capitalization truly remains at $860,409,082. The significance of this boundary will truly be especially made sense of later, which especially is genuinely critical. Yesterday, on September 15, Aave was esteemed at $54.31 at the turn of the two exchanging meetings. By and large, recall that cryptographic forms of money in a real sense are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m. The cost change, rate-wise, over the said period sort of added up to 7.96%, showing how these profits are in every practical sense unreachable in certainly different business sectors, which by and large is the motivation behind why undoubtedly moderate financial backers in a real sense are cautiously enhancing their current portfolios with digital currencies like Aave, while the groundbreaking ones in every practical sense dedicate a huge piece of their sort of cash flow to this quickly creating resource class. Or so they truly thought. 7 days prior, on September 9, Aave in a real sense was exchanged at $56.46 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that for the most part near its especially present position, or so they thought. On August 16, which in a real sense was precisely a month prior, the examiners exchanged Aave at $60.27. The cost level that sort of is at the distance of 2.37% from where it at present stands, or so they sort of thought. The cost of Aave and the readings of CVIX most certainly are not by any means the only measurements that we use while attracting the cost forecasts a by and large significant way. Market capitalization by and large is another significant especially metric that most certainly assists traders with truly deciding the prevalence of the digital money being referred to, as well as its future possibilities, which truly is genuinely critical. It's additionally used to in a real sense survey the offer that Aave fundamentally holds inside the whole cryptographic money market. The equation for the computation of market capitalization truly is fairly basic. The flowing stockpile of the cash being referred to truly is duplicated by its really current cost. As of the hour of compassing, the market capitalization of Aave remains at $860,409,082, enough to name it the 43rd biggest coin on the digital money market, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. Yesterday, on September 15, the market capitalization of Aave truly remained at $789,587,976, extremely in spite of prevalent thinking. 7 days prior, on September 9, The capitalization of Aave was $820,563,303. Exhibiting him market capitalization is one more significant kind of metric that explicitly assists traders with explicitly deciding the ubiquity of the digital currency being referred to as well as its future possibilities, which really is very critical. A month prior, on August 16, how much certainly capital streaming around this fundamentally specific market generally added up to $875,126.09 when, or so the in every way that really matters thought. Most cryptographic money financial backers sort of stick to the rule that market capitalization likewise decides the dangers related with a by and large certain digital currency and its capacity to, for the most part, endure disturbances, which generally are the sort of normal event on this profoundly unpredictable market. So as of the hour of compassing, the market capitalization of Aave generally remains at $860,409.082, enough to name it the 43rd most certainly the biggest coin on the digital money market in a sort of significant manner. It is evident that the sort of previously mentioned market capitalization of Aave permits to, in every practical sense, characterize it as the little cap digital money that has a place in the generally safe gathering. So a few institutional financial backers even consider crypto as an effective supporting instrument against the taking off expansion and the disturbances in the worldwide economy, exhibiting how throughout the course of recent years, digital currencies, including Aave, laid out in all things considered, solid traction in the worldwide monetary world and sort of are currently being exchanged comparable to conventional resources like stocks, products, and unfamiliar monetary standards forex. In an all things considered, significant way. Since we for the most part have proactively referenced the recipe for working out the market capitalization, it would sort of be exceptionally suitable to dedicate a piece of this report to the stockpile of Aave in a by and large huge manner in a real sense. For fundamentally your data, there especially are three sorts of supply for basically every digital currency. The truly greatest stockpile, which generally implies the quantity of coins that would be created on an especially specific blockchain all through its presence, the all-out supply, which alludes to the quantity of coins previously delivered, starting from the origin of the venture, the flowing inventory which clearly alludes to the quantity of coins available for use in every practical sense, different words, that in every way that really matters, are effectively exchanged on trade stages. The very greatest stock of Aave fundamentally is 16,000,000 Aave, the genuinely complete inventory of Aave right now basically remains at 16,000,000 coins, further appearance how most cryptographic money financial backers in every practical sense stick to the rule that market capitalization likewise decides the dangers related with a by and large certain digital currency and its capacity to really endure disturbances, which in every way that really matters, are the all things considered, normal event on this exceptionally unpredictable market. So as of the hour of compassing, the market cap